Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal, and right now we are here at CHERIMOYA Lake, and we are here for the Holy Week. Actually, I've been here na for I think 6 or 7 days na, and it's now April 1. So I decided to show you guys what I bring with me, yung mga summer or mga travel essentials ko. So this is my makeup kit, and yung mga nandito is mostly yung everyday makeup products that I use. Sorry, may dog doon sa kabilang island. Tapos I have this bag. I got this one from Japan Home for 88 pesos lang. So I decided to get like, it's not an eco bag, but I think it's a canvas bag. I think that's what you call it. And I like it kasi marami kang malalagay sa loob. Whenever I bring my other bags, medyo limited yung space, but this one kasi malaki siya. And it says Colosseum Rome. I also like the design of it. And marami ako nalagay dito. So before I show you guys what's in my bag, I want to show you guys first my view. This really nice view. Nandun yung Doberman namin. I don't know if you guys can see si Draco there. Draco the Doberman. So I want to show you guys around. Yan. This is Lake CHERIMOYA Lake. The past few days, marami talagang tao dito sa CHERIMOYA Lake. Even sa mga ibang islands na malapit sa amin, you will hear na may mga celebrations, may parties, may sing-along, karaoke. Super active dito last few days. Tapos nandun yung isang island pa sa harap. Yan. Immediately after Holy Week, nag-alisa na yung mga nag-travel dito. There's a spider on my screen. And it left a spider web. Ito yung bag ko. It's from Nude. It's a really nice gold bag. And I like this one kasi marami kang malalagay even though maliit lang siya. And then meron siyang brush holder dito so you can put your eyeliner, your makeup brush. Yan, your eyeliner, your makeup brush, pwede dyan. The first thing that we have here is this one, this blush from O2O. And I love this blush. This is what I'm wearing right now. I got this one from SM. Department store, and yung color niya is 06. This is the pink one. I love this blush. Meron akong 3 shades nito, and out of the 3 shades, ito lang yung dinala ko because it's my favorite. Yan, siya pinkish lang siya. And sorry guys if my hair's messy, but mahangin talaga here sa CHERIMOYA. So this one naman, it's a sunscreen. This is not mine, it's my brother's. Hiniram ko lang sa kanya. But so far, I like it, but I need to give it back to him. You don't really need makeup pag nandito ka sa beach or nasa lake ka, you know, for photo shoots, for pictures, or maybe we will go somewhere, diba? So for eyeshadow, ito lang yung dinala kong palette because it's nude. It's a very small palette. So this is the Naughty 9 palette from W7. It has all of the nude shades that I need. Complete na siya to make a complete eye makeup look, but at the same time, I have all mangingay ng aso. Pause. There's a bangka in front of me. Kita niyo ba guys? Hindi siya kita in my video. Alright, back to the video. So yan, has 9 shades na. So perfect to for traveling. Actually, any eye makeup palette will do na nude. That's perfect for on the go. Tapos, dito ko siya lalagay. Yan, dito ko lalagay yung mga nalabas ko na. And then I have the Pure Basics Charcoal Oil Control Sheet. And actually paubos na siya and medyo na-fold na yung mga oil paper. But ito yung gray na oil paper. So pag nag-oily na ako during the day, nagalagay ako nito. Kasi I hate the feeling of yung parang mamantika na face. So I always have this. I think since high school, meron na talaga akong oil paper in my bag at all times. Kasi you know, sa Philippines, madali tayong mag-oily. So, I will make it fast lang. I have this ROTO Cool Tired Eye Relief. Yeah, just like what it says. I use it whenever I feel like my eyes are getting tired or pag nagda-dry na yung eyes ko, this is what I use. I like it. And it has a menthol feel. Actually, marami pa dito sa bag ko. And then, I always bring a nipper with me because, you know, whenever I need to cut anything, you know, sa nails or basta, I always have this whenever I travel. I have 3 lip products with me and mostly para siyang tint lang and it has ano ba, parang orangey tone. So this one, it's actually one of my favorites. This is the Etude House Dear Darling Water Tint in the shade, ano ba to? Sa 03 siya. Ito yung orangey. I will show you guys. Yan. So, actually, kaka-paddleboard ko pala ngayon. And, nag-dry yung lips ko because I was staying under the sun. So, that's the first one. And this one is from Pretty Secret, Dreamy Stain. Mas dark to dun sa Etude House. I love this one. I love all of these. Ito yung top 3 ko ngayon. That's why dinala ko sila. So, ito yung Dreamy Stain, 2-in-1 lip and cheek tint in the shade, I don't know. Wala siyang name. Basta ito yung parang orangey siya na dark. And then the last one that I have here is yung Pinky Focus. Mura lang to from Shopee. I think it's like 40 something. This is in the shade PO5. Yun yung shade niya. Another one that's orangey. Love this one as well. This one hindi siya masyado nagsistain, but maganda yung quality niya. Para siyang moisturizing. And then this one naman, this is the BOBEINI Banana Luxury Powder. Tinransfer ko lang siya dito sa parang container na may sifter siya. There. Sorry, medyo kakalat kasi siya. So yeah, I love this one, yung BOBEINI for retouching. Yellowish yung shade niya, so I love this a lot. Then I have here a set of parang mga metal na toothpick because parating may nagsastuck na meat in between my teeth. I need to go to my dentist to have it checked. Basta, kasi I have a new tooth there sa likod. Sumasabit parati doon yung mga meat and I hate that. Another one that's my favorite, ito yung nalagay ko sa inner tear duct area ko. This one is from MINISO, eyeshadow pencil with brush. So, meron siyang smudger on this side. This is the actual product. Nalagay ko siya dito on the inner corner, especially at night. Sobrang ganda niya. Then, of course, the Maybelline Fit Me, as you can see, is loved and abused. Sobrang paubos na siya. I think almost empty na. And this is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. Love this concealer. I have to repurchase. Then, for eyebrows naman, ito lang yung mga ginagamit ko talaga, yung mga slim eyebrow pencils. And marami ito sa Shopee. They're all very affordable. Meron siyang spoolie on the other side. And then, this is the product. Very, very slim lang. So, I like it. This is my eyeliner. I think this is from CHERIMOYA. I got way back. If you want like more natural eyeliner, I go for pencil kasi you can smudge it. Dinala ko to because it already has a sharpener. So, pag napurol siya, may pang-sharpen na ako. And then, of course, hindi pwedeng mawala itong UEMURA eyelash curler. Guys, college pa ako, nasa akin na to. Pinapalitan ko lang yung rubber niya, but the eyelash curler itself, yung metal, actually, nag-melt na nag-fade na to because lumubog siya sa vinegar when I was at home. Basta tumapon yung vinegar and it happened to be there, tapos nag-fade siya. But, kung hindi to nag-fade, guys, sobrang okay pa to. And yung mismong curler, okay na okay pa siya. You can use it. Actually, if UEMURA has rubber na, yung rubber lang, wala eh. Kung may alam kayo guys na bibili ng original na UEMURA na rubber dito, let me know because that's all I need. And I no need to repurchase a new eyelash curler from UEMURA. Then for eyebrow gel, I have this CATRICE Brow Colorist Semi-Permanent Brow Mascara. Basta ito yung brown. Maganda siya. Maganda siya guys. I like it. For foundation, I decided to bring the MISSHA Perfect Cover BB Cream. This is one of my favorites kapag alam kong I will stay under the sun. Basta dinadala ko talaga to whenever I know na I'm gonna be outdoor for a long time. So this one has SPF 42 PA+++. And anything na may SPF, that will really help with sun protection. Wait nga. Tapos meron ako makeup remover na dala, but it's inside. It's the Nivea eye makeup remover. Tapos meron ako dito mga cotton pads na nagkalat sa makeup kit ko here. This is one of my new favorite eyelash glue from Shein. I also really like the Lash, but yung Lash, I feel like it's too pricey for an eyelash glue. Although it's really good quality, but this one reminds me so much of Lash and it stays on for a long time. Then I have this Essence Lash Goals Mascara. This one is waterproof and I like that it makes my eyelashes really thick and volumized. Then this one is another eyebrow pencil na very slim as well. Gusto ko usually yung dark brown or dark gray na eyebrow pencil. And then this one is a sample from Sephora. It's the KAYALI, KAYALI perfume. I love this one guys. If you like musk, it smells super unique, like musk, like powdery. So unique. I like this one. And KAYALI Musk 12. KAYALI Musk 12. So it's by Huda Beauty. And I have This one, it's a parang glitter liner lang siya. A mini one. So if I want to like add here or whatever, it's just there. Then, tweezers. I thought I was gonna apply my eyelashes. Actually, may dala akong false lashes, but it's inside. And then I have makeup brushes with me. Meron ako ditong 2 eyeshadow brushes. Yan. I love natural hair na brushes, makeup brushes. And then this one is for my brows. Actually, almost finished na tayo. So I also have a powder brush with me. Kasi medyo makalat yung powder puff nung packaging. And then this one I got here lang sa Kaliraya when I went up there. Ano siya? It's called Fresh Breath Papermint. So when you open it, ang cool nga nito guys, 6 pesos lang siya from the sari-sari store, but it's a papermint. When you eat something na garlicky, just put it in your mouth. Last siyang candy na strawberry, but the main purpose is to have fresh breath. That's why it's called Fresh Breath, and it's only 6 pesos. The last in my makeup kit is this one. It's from Fasha or Fakya. Fakya, oh my god. This brand, hindi ko alam kung paano siya pronounce, but I love this one, guys. I got almost all of the shades, and it has really nice shimmers in it, and it's my favorite. It's one of my favorites talaga. So far, yun lang naman. I was gonna show you pa what's in my travel bag, but they're calling me not to eat, and I really have to pack my things pa. But at least you guys saw what's in my makeup kit. So, thank you so much for watching. So, ano ba yung mga ginawa nyo this Holy Week? Let me know in the comment section. But, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!